All right, let's continue with the session today. Good evening, everyone. My name is Bijal Shah, and I'm a tutor for Career Makers Education. As you all know, we have taken the sessions last time as well. So last time we have taken writing task 1 for both academic and general training students. So now today we are going to take listening problems. In listening, there are multiple types they ask, and today we are going to take about MCQs. All right, just to brief listening before we go to the multiple choice questions. Let's continue. Just wait for a while. I think there is someone. Yeah, all right. Well, in listening, just to recall, this is basically IELTS is generally taken in the listening, reading, writing, and speaking part. As you all know, listening, there are common for academic and general training, right? So there won't be any difference in listening part. So academic training student and general training બંને માટેનું listening ની types એક જ હોય છે. And next is the listening, reading, writing sections for all IELTS tests are completed in the same day with no breaks. So L, R, and W. એ ત્રણે ત્રણ તમારી exams, I mean that is listening, reading, and writing. એક one examination center માં at a time લેવામાં આવે છે without any breaks, and speaking no modules later on decide થાય છે either before a week or and after a week. The total duration for listening, reading, and writing will be 2 hours and 45 minutes. Now there is some minor changes that I have done from 4th January 2020. That earlier they used to give an example of that audio and the question answer. But now they have removed the example. Second thing, rather than sections, I mean, there were 4 sections if you all know. So now, rather than sections, they are using the word parts. So part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. And then they have removed a page number reference as well. And as I think everyone knows that it is considered total marking is done by 9 band scores. And out of 9, your scores are calculated in whole bands or the half bands. There is a question that can we appear this both exams in different cities, means speaking in different city and rest of in a different. No, you cannot, because you are submitting your application online at one area only. So then you need to appear LRW and S at one center only. Okay. Now, out of 40 questions, that listening has 40 questions in total in a division of 4 parts. So now जो 40 क्वेश्चंस है वो 40 क्वेश्चंस के रिगार्ड अकॉर्डिंगली आपके बैंड स्कोर डिसाइड होंगे. So there are certain things that we need to be careful about. So just have a look of that listening, what type of questions and timings and वो सब क्या है. Just recall it first very quickly. That there are 4 parts question having 10 questions in each parts. So there will be 4 parts होंगे और चारों पार्ट में एक पार्ट में 10 questions, ऐसे 4 parts होंगे. All right, and most of the time the first 2 parts deal with situations set in everyday social context. First one part is there is a conversation between 2 speakers, and part 2 is a monologue. What is monologue? Basically just simple one speech of a professor or an educational or a training context. Part 3 is a conversation between 2 to 3 speakers. Sometimes they take 3 speakers as well. So in that case, we need to be a bit careful that see when there is 2 speakers, then there are highly chances कि एक male होगा और एक speaker female होगा. But when there are 3 speakers, sometimes they add in part 3. So in that case, एक फीमेल रहेंगे और 2 मेल होंगे एंड वाइस वर्सा. सो इन दैट केस वी नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल कौन क्या बोल रहा है, राइट. एंड देन पार्ट 4 is again monologue speech on a academic subject. And yes, one more important thing we need to understand about the accents. The accents is most of the time British or Australian, and sometimes they take New Zealand, American or Canadian, but most of the time they take British and Australian accents. So we take that listening audio for as exercise, we take those accents only. So total time duration for only listening is 30 minutes. So roughly you can say 4 parts having 40 questions that we need to complete in 30 minutes. After that, they will give you 10 minutes extra to transfer your answers from the question paper to final QR sheet. Now, what type of questions they ask? So they ask multiple choice questions, matching, then plan completion, plan labeling, diagram labeling, then map labeling, and they ask summary completion, note completion, table, flowchart completions, and sometimes they add sentence completion as well. In fact, sentence completion sometimes connected with multiple choice questions as well. We'll take gradually. आज ही के लेक्चर में हम लोग वो भी कवर कर देंगे. So we need to understand very clearly that what type of task they ask as a questions. और सबकी अलग अलग की strategy है. So we need to learn those strategies. We need to go according to the tips of that particular types of listening to crack it in a better way. All right. So then next, test takers write their answers on the question paper when they are listening to the audio, and then after they are giving you 10 minutes extra to transfer your answers onto exact answer sheet. See, in this case, when you are going to appear in a paper-based examination, so in that case, 10 minutes are given to you. But when you are on a computer-based examination, then you are not given 10 minutes extra. Remember students, अगर computer-based exams आप दे रहे हो, तो उसमें आपको 10 minutes extra नहीं मिलेंगे. उसमें आपको 2 minutes extra मिलेंगे सिर्फ. Because in that case, आप अपने answers already answer sheet में ही लिख रहे हैं. So आपको सिर्फ वही just review करना है in within 2 minutes only. So when you are appearing for a computer based examination, in that case you won't be able to get 10 minutes extra time to transfer your answers. And yes, there are 40 questions and there are total 40 marks. And based on that, they calculate your band scores. All right, so now today we'll take that multiple choice. All right, first of all, tell me that who have attended MCQs in listening. Write me in chat box about what type of problems you face most of the time. जब भी आप listening कर रहे हो और question type में multiple choice questions आते हैं, then what kind of problem you are facing, please write your problems in the chat box. So later on, we'll come to those questions as well. And then वो सब आप लोगों की जो सबसे ज्यादा queries है, problem आती है MCQ में, that's what we can solve in today's session as well. So I'm waiting for you. किसी को भी अगर पता है कि किस तरह की problem आपको होती है while listening and answering multiple choice questions, तो कौन सी problems आपको ज्यादा face करनी पड़ती है? Yes, the confusion create. Then similarities are there. Yes. All options are says in the question. So what actual answer for the same questions? Yes, absolutely. So most of the students are having almost similar kind of problems and issues that सभी options एक जैसे दिखते हैं कई बार, similar होते हैं. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि they are mentioning all the options, so you are not able to get the correct answer कि भी कौन सा questions correct होगा. So these are the problems. Main is confusion. Yes, Dakshish. So yes, all right. So I just wanted to know that before starting that MCQ problems, so I just wanted to hear from your side कि आपको क्या problem आती है. So now let's have a today's session. I hope that by the end of the session, you will get the idea that how to solve such kind of problems. Okay. Now let's go ahead with the MCQ. See, in MCQ, there are multiple choice tasks. There is a question followed by 3 possible answers most of the time, or the beginning of the sentence followed by 3 possible ways to complete the sentence. So there are different types of multiple choice as well. So we need to identify कि भी इसमें हमें कौन सी instructions follow करके क्या answer देना है. So ultimate focus should be multiple choice questions are used to test a wide range of skills कि अगर confusion होता है, then how good you are able to connect it. The test taker may be required to have a detailed understanding of specific points and overall understanding of the main points of the listening test. Clear? And yes, number of questions are not decided. So it varies from 3 to 6 to 7 as well. See, there are mainly 3 different types of formats of MCQs. The first one is short answer multiple choice question. In that case, you will be given a statement and below they will give you the options which are very short. Just alphabet के हिसाब से ही आपको options दिए जाएंगे like this. And then you need to choose the correct alphabet. I mean question type of insurance chosen for example. Then आपको A, B और C में से कौन सा options choose करना है. That's what you just need to write. Second is a sentence completion. In sentence completion, there will be a sentence and the sentence का जो ending होता है, that's what they give you as the options. कि भी चलो इसमें से कौन सा ending sentence का आपको choose करना है. Clear? And third, sometimes they which is I mean usually ये third type picture वाला बहुत कम आता है, but sometimes they add कि options में आपको drawings देते हैं और pictures देते हैं, and then you need to choose the correct option of the drawing or a picture. All right, so these are main 3 types of multiple choice questions. And in that, out of these all options, you need to select any one answer. Multiple choice में यहाँ पे you need to get only one answer only. Accordingly, आपका जो suppose question 9 है, तो question 9 का out of these 3, there will be only one answer. So आपको A, B और C में से decide करना है कि भी कौन सा मेरा correct answer है. And then you need to move on. Some multiple choice questions require you to choose more than one answer from a variety of options as well. So now in that case, what you need to do is, suppose यहाँ पे जो section 1 type मैंने दिखाया है आपको यहाँ पे, उसमें मैंने question का पूरा मैंने यहाँ पे आपको mention किया हुआ है कि ये आपका question number 9 है, right? और यहाँ पे question number 10 है. When you are given to choose more than one answer, in that case, it will be combined question, that answer 9 and 10. So in that case, they will give you maybe 6 or 7 questions, and out of that options, you need to choose 2. And then you need to write that way. Clear? All right. So these were all the type of different formats of the MCQs. And now the problems you were having. I mean, most of the students were having the same problem. So how to solve these problems? Let's go through it. That when आपको जब 3 choices दिए जाते हैं, just as a type 1 format, that when given 3 choices like above, you are likely to hear the speaker talking about all 3 options. So then you will get so much confused कि सबका जो भी all 3 options है वो सब mention किए हुए हैं audio recording में. Then what to choose? So in that case, अगर सब तीनों mention तो हो ही रहे हैं, so we need to understand it very clearly. We need to understand the context. कि तीनों वर्ड का जो यूज किया गया है ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग में, वो कौन से कॉन्टेक्स्ट में यूज हो रहा है, राइट? सो दैट डजंट मीन कि जो मेंशन किया हुआ है वो ही करेक्ट आंसर है. इट इज नॉट दैट वे. सो यू मस्ट सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर, नॉट द फर्स्ट वन यू हियर. सो बी वेरी केयरफुल. यू कैन जस्ट टिक मार्क ऑन द ऑप्शन यू हियर and then keep hearing. Concentration and focus is always must while listening to the audio. Next one is, the answer will normally come in the form of synonyms or a paraphrases. So of course, we need to be very careful with the synonyms of that particular words and the context as well. So do not just listen for exact matches. That if you are looking for the exact word which is given as in the question paper, then probably you will miss the answer. So simultaneously think of the synonyms as well. There are 3 choices, often look similar, right? As I think in chat box someone mentioned that as well, that बहुत सारी options similar दिखते हैं. So that's why you are having difficulty to choose one. So look for the keywords in the different options that allow you to tell the difference between the options. See, इसमें क्या करना है basically? We'll take the examples that you will come to know. But इसमें आपको हमें वही करना है कि सबसे पहले हमें जो options दिए जाते हैं, so before recording starts, if possible, just go through the options and try to predict the answer, that what it can be. ग्रामेटिकली अगर सेंटेंस कंप्लीशन है, सो समटाइम्स यू कैन चेक ग्रामेटिकली एज वेल कि चलो ग्रामर के हिसाब से सेंटेंस कंप्लीशन में कौन सा ऑप्शन सेट हो रहा है. बिफोर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द ऑडियो. अगर ऑडियो स्टार्ट हो रही है तो उसके बाद तो हमें ऑडियो पे ही फोकस करना है, पर अगर ऑडियो स्टार्ट हुई है उसके पहले हमारे पास 2-3 सेकंड्स का भी टाइम है, तो उस टाइम में हमें ये सब भी फॉलो करके फोकस करके वो क्वेश्चंस को रीड करना है एंड ट्राई टू प्रिडिक्ट द ऑप्शंस एंड देन try to match your prediction with the audio recording. Then it would be easier for you to get the correct answer. Clear? This is not just a test of your listening skills, but also your reading skills. What does that mean? In this case, basically, आपकी लिसनिंग स्किल टेस्ट हो रही है क्योंकि आपको ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग कॉन्स्टेंटली कंसंट्रेशन के साथ लिसन करना है. साइमल्टेनियसली आपको रीड भी करना है बिकॉज यू आर रीडिंग द क्वेश्चंस. नॉट ओनली रीडिंग, you need to understand the question as well, right? That understand the instructions, what they are asking you to do, then understand the question, that what you are looking for from the recording. So listening and reading simultaneously will go all together. And after that, along with the listening, you are going to write your answer as well, right? Of course, you are you are writing your answers in the question paper only, but simultaneously you are writing. So listening, reading, and technically speaking, आपकी राइटिंग की स्किल भी साइमल्टेनियसली मैच हो रही है. सो देयर इज मच मोर टू रीड इन मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस बिकॉज इसमें मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन में हमारा पूरा क्वेश्चंस इट्स क्वाइट लॉन्ग बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. अगर लेबलिंग वाला है, हमारे पास टाइप है कि भाई टेबल में लेबलिंग करना है, फॉर्म में लेबलिंग करना है, तो उसमें वी जस्ट नीड टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. तो उसमें बहुत ज्यादा लंबा चौड़ा क्वेश्चंस नहीं होगा. But in multiple choice, the question will be a bit lengthy. So make sure when you are getting time extra before starting the audio, just go through the questions and go through the options as well, so that it would be easy for you to get focus while audio is already there. So practice underlining the keywords in the questions and quickly understand the difference between the options. So that is the best way to do. जितने आप अंडरलाइन कर रहे हो कीवर्ड्स में, सो वो आप कॉन्स्टेंटली फोकस कर सकते हो आपके लिसनिंग के ऑडियो पे. कि अगर ऑडियो में इट वुड बी इजी फॉर यू टू सर्च एंड लुक फॉर सच वर्ड्स दैट यू हैव ऑलरेडी अंडरलाइंड इट. सो इट वुड बी इजी फॉर यू टू गेट द करेक्ट आंसर. क्लियर? ऑलराइट. So now this was the basic problems. So now how to solve this problem? So and uske liye thodi bahut tips hai. So we can follow those tips and get the correct answers. So let's have a look for some tips to crack this multiple choice questions in listening part. So the first is, do not check your answers from the previous section when you have a break. Right? I just told you that when you are having a break between the audio, so just without reading, do not just predict the answer without reading. That चलो पहले वाला जो आंसर है वही आंसर हमें इसमें इसके हिसाब से हमें ये आंसर यही होना चाहिए and then just go ahead. ऐसा नहीं करना है हमें. It is very important to read the questions, try to understand the question, try to understand the options as well, and then predict before audio starts. In between you can just underline your keywords as well. Even you can just tick mark if you feel that ये options somewhat आपको सही लग रहा है, then you can just tick mark or circle that options, so that while listening to the audio, if you are sure with that answer, then it would be easy for you, right? Then next tip is highlight the keywords. Of course, that the keyword in the question will help you answer the question correctly. The keywords in the different options. So अगर keywords को हम लोग highlight कर रहे हैं, underline कर रहे हैं, so in that case it would be easier for us to look for the synonyms as well as the same exact word as well, right? Do not write the first answer you hear. This is most important thing, because most of the students are doing same thing. Most of the students doing कि भी चलो options दिए हुए हैं और options में आपको दिख रहा है कि चलो इकोनॉमी एंड स्टैंडर्ड, वो सब ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं, एंड ऑडियो में जैसे ही आपने इकोनॉमी सुन लिया, यू जस्ट टिक मार्क ऑन द इकोनॉमी. नो भैया, इकोनॉमी के साथ साथ में आपको पॉसिबल है कि नेक्स्ट में आपको स्टैंडर्ड भी सुनने को मिले. सो इन दैट केस कंसंट्रेशन को हटाना नहीं है हमें. Stay fully focused during the whole audio recording, because in between agar they are switching your answer, because what happens sometimes कि सब आंसर्स मेंशन हो सकते हैं, सब आपके जो भी ऑप्शंस है वो सब ऑप्शंस पॉसिबल है कि वो मेंशन हो रहे हो आपकी ऑडियो में. देन व्हाट टू डू? सो वी डोंट वांट टू मिस आउट एनी वर्ड. सो दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, दैट रिमेंबर दैट दे विल ट्राई एंड ट्रिक यू. सब ऑप्शंस आपको दे रही, सब ऑप्शंस आपको मेंशन करने वाले हैं. सो हमें सिर्फ पहला ऑप्शन जो भी सुन लिया एंड देन वी आर जस्ट राइटिंग दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर, नहीं भैया. जस्ट बी केयरफुल विद दोस थिंग्स एज वेल. द नेक्स्ट इज do not spend too much time on one question. This is most important tip for multiple choice questions. Why in this multiple choice question? Because multiple choice question, the reading part, I mean the question that is given, which is too lengthy. So sometimes we get confused, and फिर last में जब answer transfer करने होते हैं ना, that time we sometimes spend lot of time in choosing the options. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करना है हमें इसमें. See, when they are giving you to choose one answer out of 3 options, that means कि आपका ये पूरा क्वेश्चन का वेटेज सिर्फ 1 मार्क का है. So 1 मार्क के लिए हमें ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना है इसमें. So if you didn't get the correct answer, then make sure that do not spend too much time on that thing. Otherwise आपका next audio जो है, next questions जो आपके आने वाले हैं, वो सब miss हो जाएंगे. You will miss the train basically. So guess the answer and move ahead. Especially in multiple choice questions only that happens, because questions is too lengthy, and in that case sometimes you hear all the options that are already mentioned in the question, and so you get confused. Sometimes that happens. So in that case, just options को, कोई भी एक option को attend करो, option को choose करो, and then move ahead. Don't leave the blank, because negative marking तो है ही नहीं IELTS में. So don't leave the blank. आपको सिर्फ options वहां पे choose कर देना है, and then just go ahead करना है, so that you don't miss out the train. जो ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग जो चल रहा है वो हमें ऑफ ट्रैक नहीं करना है. हमारा कंसंट्रेशन, हमारा फोकस कॉन्स्टेंटली वहां पे होना चाहिए. सो बी वेरी केयरफुल विद दिस थिंग्स एज वेल. नेक्स्ट इज बी केयरफुल इफ यू हियर वर्ड्स लाइक but or however or otherwise, else, instead of, these words are called monster words. I specifically name these words as a monster word because ये जो words है वो हमारा answers बाद में change कर देता है. They mention something else and then by adding such kind of monster words, but, however, else, although, instead, besides of, so these are contradicting words. कि जो पहला जो भी ऑप्शंस दिया हुआ है ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग में उसके बाद अगर ये वर्ड आते हैं देन बी वेरी केयरफुल क्योंकि उसके बाद आपका आंसर चेंज होने वाला है. So this often means that the speaker is going to qualify a precious statement because they आपका answers change करने वाला है. So but however वो जो आप monster words जब सुनते हो audio recording में उसके बाद की जो line है वो तो ज्यादा focus करके हमें सुननी है because they are going to change your answers. So be very careful while choosing MCQ with the monster words. Yes, of course, ultimately practice makes the man perfect. Yes, your answer will often be a letter and not a word. बहुत सारे students ऐसी बहुत सारी mistakes करते रहते हैं कि वो answers का जो word है वो word mention किया है वो word लिख देते हैं answer में. यहाँ पे हमें वो नहीं लिखना होता है. Read the instructions very careful before answering the question that what they are looking for. They are looking for the letter which have mentioned, which have allocated to that particular word. So we need to write the letter which is allocated to the word which is correctly as per the recording. So be sure with the instructions and careful while transferring your answers at the end. Sometimes overconfidence में ये problem हो जाती है. So be careful with these things as well. Now let's go through some strategies that we should follow while clearing these MCQs. All right. First thing, before starting of the audio, सबसे पहले हमें लेफ्ट और राइट देखना नहीं है एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में. पहले read the instructions very clearly and understand it, what they are looking for, how we need to write our answer and what type of question is this. This is multiple choice है, labeling है, matching है, sentence completion है, form completion है. What type of question that is, we need to understand it very clearly before the audio starts. So that read the instructions very clearly. So हमने जो भी strategies, हमने जो भी tips आपको दी हुई है वो instructions के साथ follow करके हमें वो type को crack करना है. Next is read the questions and identify what is actually being asked. Right? So next step is instructions के बाद we need to read the questions and understand it, that what we need to write as the answers, that identify आपको क्या पूछा गया है और आपको क्या लिखना है, and then in between the questions highlight the main keywords. For example, they give you the basic noun, verb, those things can be as a main keywords. That's what you need to look. Adjectives है, verbs है, noun है, वो सब words को आपको keyword की तरह से highlight करना है और then you need to look for the same exact words or sometimes the synonyms of that word. You need to look for those words in the audio recording. All right. Then next is look at the different options. Underline the keywords if they have any and try to understand the difference. अगर थोड़ा बहुत तो दिमाग लगा के ये सब जो चीजें हैं, हमें ये सब जो टिप्स है, ये जो स्टेप्स है, वो तीनों स्टेप्स बिफोर द रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट्स हमें करना है. सो जस्ट क्विकली ये सब हमें करने हैं स्टेप्स कि भी चलो फटाफट से इंस्ट्रक्शंस रीड कर दिए क्या करना है, कौन सी टाइप का ये रिकॉर्डिंग है हमारा, कौन सी टाइप का क्वेश्चन है, सॉरी. एंड देन जो ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं, ऑप्शंस में भी हमें गो थ्रू करके जस्ट कीवर्ड्स है तो हमें वो अंडरलाइन करने हैं एंड साइमल्टेनियसली ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द ऑप्शंस so that while you are hearing the synonyms of that optional words you can clearly make out कि भी चलो ये वाला ऑप्शन है जो जो हो गया. now you need to look for the second option. अगर वो रिकॉर्डिंग में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है, so you can go with the simultaneously exactly to the recording. अगर जो रिकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है वो हम क्रैक नहीं कर पा रहे, वो हम ट्रैक नहीं कर पा रहे कि भी वो रिकॉर्डिंग कहाँ पे है और मैं कहाँ पे हूँ, then you will miss the answer. So constantly जो keywords है वो हमें मैच करना है हमारे रिकॉर्डिंग में. That can be a same exact keyword or sometimes they use synonyms as well. Next is think of the synonyms or the paraphrases जो कई बार वो लोग लेते हैं. Sometimes they use the same exact words and sometimes they even use synonyms or paraphrases as well. So think from all the aspects. वो सब जगह से हमें क्लियर होना चाहिए. Then next is try to predict the answer. This is most important thing. हमें आंसर्स को जितना प्रिडिक्ट कर पाएंगे तो उसके हमारे लिए उतना ही अच्छा है. तो व्हाट इज दिस एमसीक्यू के लिए हमारे लिए इतना ही अच्छा है कि अगर आंसर हम प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हैं so it would be great for us क्योंकि हमने for example they have given you 3 options and out of these 3 options you have already predicted 1 options out of 3. so आपका 33% काम तो क्लियर हो ही गया है कि भी चलो ऑलमोस्ट दिस विल बी योर आंसर एंड देन इफ यू आर गेटिंग द सेम आंसर फ्रॉम दिस रिकॉर्डिंग देन हो गया आपका काम भैया. सो टैली भी हो गया कि जो हमने प्रिडिक्ट किया है वही आंसर वहां पे मिल रहा है. सो देन योर आंसर मस्ट बी करेक्ट. सो प्रिडिक्शन ऑलवेज, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम प्रिडिक्शन वर्क्स इन एमसीक्यू. All right, then next is when listening, listen for any keywords and synonyms and simultaneously paraphrasing as well. See, synonyms, sometimes they use the exact word. Sometimes I just mentioned that sometimes they use the similar words which are called synonyms. Sometimes while sentence completion, they paraphrase the sentence. ऐसा भी possible हो सकता है. So when they are just shuffling the sentence formation, so वो सब paraphrasing में आता है. So my name is, for example, if I say that my name is Bijal Shah and I change this as a myself Bijal Shah. So somewhat I change the sentence formation. That is called paraphrasing. So वो भी होता है sentence completion में. So be very careful with those things as well. Do not write, we have taken it earlier as well. Do not write the first answer you hear. Be very careful because सब answers वो possible है कि जो options में जो भी answers दिए हुए हैं वो सब वो mention करेंगे. So we need to understand that which is the correct answer, not just what you hear first. If you think an answer is correct, then put the tick beside it and keep listening. So be on the track, continuously being on the track with the audio. That is the perfect one. Because इसमें क्या है कि अगर हम हमारी कहते हैं ना कि वो ट्रेन पहिए से ट्रेन ट्रैक से गाड़ी छूट गई हमारी, एक बार निकल गई, then it would be very difficult to get back on the track. पॉसिबल है कि वो ट्रैक में आने के बीच में हमें और 2-3 क्वेश्चंस मिस कर दे. सो इन दैट केस कंटिन्यूअसली बीइंग ऑन द ट्रैक इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. सो इफ यू आर गेटिंग द आंसर for which even you are not sure, then also just guess and continuously be on the track. All right, clear everyone? Let me know if you have any queries still. So now after that we can start with the sample recording as well. So if anyone having any doubts or any query, please let me know.
बस मारू फोन 10 मिनट पति है शिवानी को 10 मिनट हो रहा है.
आई एम अनम्यूटिंग एवरीवन. तो अगर किसी को भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है इसमें एमसीक्यू में तो प्लीज लेट मी नो.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, madam, for example, some in the fill in the blank, if somewhere like they mention any number, for example, 1 year, so we can
Yes.
type एक or any one.
See, most of the time क्या होता है उसमें कि they usually give the word or a number and simultaneously they allot alphabet to that answer. So what you need to write in your answer sheet, you just need to write the allocated alphabet in your answer sheet.
It means it's a 1 year like not numeric, right?
Yes. See, they mention you in that very clearly in the instructions only that before that question they give you the instructions that write only in one word, write in 2 words and a number. So you need to read the instructions very carefully before starting it and then answers को accordingly follow करना है. और most of the time क्या है इसमें कि multiple choice question में usually they give you that options, alphabets allocated to each option most of the time. So you just need to write the alphabet which is allocated to the answer. अगर 1 year है आपका option में 1 year है, 5 year है और 3
I am talking about the fill in the blanks, ma'am, not in the like multiple choice.
in the blanks mein they will give you the instructions. So we need to understand the instructions that what they are asking for. कि आपको एक word में लिखना है कि word and number में लिखना है. If they are saying you need to write in a word and a number, then you cannot write ONE1 and a year because they are mentioning that 1 year and one answer, 1 word and 1 letter, right? इस आपको दोनों एक वर्ड में रहेगा तो year will be a word and 1 will be the numeric.
Okay, means that's 2 words, na?
Yes, they will give you the instructions कि हमें किस तरह से आंसर्स लिखना है, which is very important to understand कि अगर no more than 1 words, no more than 2 words and a number, तो हमें किस तरह से लिखना है वो clearly mention करते हैं and we need to answer accordingly only in fill in the blanks. All right?
Okay.
Anyone having another issues with MCQs that we have just learned the strategies and tips? Anyone having any problem? अगर है तो मुझे बोलिए, उसके बाद हम लोग सैंपल रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं.
मैम ड्यूल कन्वर्सेशंस होता है जो
सॉरी कम अगेन.
ड्यूल कन्वर्सेशंस होते हैं 2 लोगों के बीच में. तो उसमें कई बार मतलब बहुत बार मिस हो जाता है कि व्हाट आर दे ट्राइंग टू से एग्जैक्टली, और उसके बीच में जो आंसर होता है वो छूट जाता है और निकल जाता है. तो
उसमें क्या करना है हमें? मे आई नो योर नेम?
गोविंद.
यस गोविंद. उसमें क्या करना है कि हमें वापस से ट्रैक पे आना है, राइट? तो वापस से ट्रैक पे आने के लिए द बेस्ट थिंग टू डू इज जस्ट मैच द कीवर्ड्स. हमारे पास जो क्वेश्चंस में जो कीवर्ड्स हो रहे हैं, तो जो कीवर्ड्स है,
कैन यू म्यूट ऑल द पर्सन्स बिकॉज़ यू गेट बैक.
जस्ट होल्ड ऑन फॉर अ मोमेंट.
I am not audible to you.
Yeah, just hold on for a moment. Yes, so उसमें क्या करना है गोविंद कि हमें वापस से ट्रैक में आना है. तो वापस से ट्रैक पे आने के लिए हमें we need to search for the keywords again. जो हमारे वर्ड मिस हो गए, देन ओनली यू कैन मेक आउट कि भी मिस हो गया है. तो आपको पता भी कैसे चलेगा
एग्जैक्टली दैट्स वन,
तो
बिकॉज
वो
क्या होता
आपको
है तीसरा चला जाता है।
यस दैट्स व्हाट आई मीन टू से कि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस में जो भी मैं while आंसरिंग, सपोज आपका आप 9th और 10th क्वेश्चन पे हो, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन है और 9th और 10th क्वेश्चन चल रहा है, देन आपके साथ साइमल्टेनियस दिमाग में थोड़ा बहुत 11th का क्वेश्चंस की भी होना चाहिए।
ओके
somewhat have the keywords आपके दिमाग में होने चाहिए 11th वाले भी। so while you are doing 9th and 10th, अगर 11th के keywords आप सुन रहे हो रिकॉर्डिंग में, then you will definitely make out कि भी 9 और 10th वाला तो मिस हो गया क्योंकि ये तो 11th आ गया है, राइट। सो साइमल्टेनियसली नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन का थोड़े बहुत कीवर्ड्स अपने दिमाग में होने चाहिए। दैट इज द ओनली थिंग आई एम टेलिंग यू कॉन्स्टेंटली इन बिटवीन द ब्रेक। साइमल्टेनियसली हमें सब क्वेश्चंस को इफ पॉसिबल जस्ट एक बार स्कीम करना है। स्कीमिंग एंड स्कैनिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अगर वो कर देते हैं तो हमारे पास वेरी क्लियर ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है कि इसमें हमें बाकी के सब प्रॉब्लम्स हमारे सॉल्व हो सकते हैं इसमें, राइट?
यस, थैंक यू मैम।
All right, okay, chalo. Now let's take a sample recordings so that we'll have the more clarity. Just hold on for a moment. All right. See, over here, the question paper is given just as an example. We have taken just MCQ only. So in MCQ part 1, there are questions, 2 questions. They have separated 2 questions. So 9th questions. Before starting of the recording, what I told you to do, read the instructions very carefully. Choose the correct letter, A, B or C. So you are not supposed to write economy or a standard or a premium. You just need to write the alphabet allocated to the word. Clear? Second is read the question, that what they are asking for, what they are looking for, in fact, the type of insurance chosen. So somewhat try to understand कि ये इकोनॉमी, स्टैंडर्ड, प्रीमियम, वो क्या हो सकता है? Anyone can tell me on the chat box? I'm just telling to you to understand the question and predict the answer. All right. Okay. So over here insurance के 3 options है, तो ये 3 जो options है insurance के, I mean you must have communicated with insurance agent sometimes that वो आते हैं तो हमें schemes देते हैं कि भी हमारे पास ये scheme है, ये scheme है, ये scheme है. So that's what they are telling you over here कि यहाँ पे 3 options है, that means 3 schemes they are having, and then that will be the type of conversation in the recording most probably कि भी चलो यहाँ पे इंश्योरेंस की जो 3 types है, so वो ही recording में होगा कि that's what you need to look for कि भी तीनों में से कौन सा choose किया हुआ है. And simultaneously second question, that customer wants goods delivered to, so again these 3 options are the places, right? You can just make out that these are 3 places. तो कौन सी 3 जगह में से कस्टमर को डिलीवरी चाहिए, that's what they are looking for. तो जो कम्युनिकेशन होगा वो इसी के बेस ऊपर कम्युनिकेशन होगा. Clear? I think everyone got the clear with the instruction and the questions. All right, now I'm starting the recording. Keep the pen and paper handy with you so that you can write your answers and then we will answer it. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Just wait. Yeah.
Okay, right. Now, obviously, insurance is an important thing to consider, and our companies are able to offer very good rates in a number of different all-inclusive packages.
Sorry, could you explain a bit more?
Yes, sorry. There's really three rates according to quality of insurance cover. There's the highest comprehensive cover, which is premium rate. Then there's standard rate, and then there's economy rate. That one will only cover the cost of the contents second hand.
Oh, I've been stung before with economy insurance, so I'll go for the highest.
And can I just check, would you want home delivery or to a local depot, or would you want to pick it up at the nearest port?
The port would be fine. I've got transport that in.
Fine. And will you be paying by credit card?
Can I pay by check?
I'm playing the recording again because I think the audio was not that clear, that many complained. So I'm still playing the audio again. Whoever is not able to get the correct answer.
Okay, right. Now, obviously, insurance is an important thing to consider, and our companies are able to offer very good rates in a number of different all-inclusive packages.
Sorry, could you explain a bit more?
Yes, sorry. There's really three rates according to quality of insurance cover. There's the highest comprehensive cover, which is premium rate. Then there's standard rate, and then there's economy rate. That one will only cover the cost of the contents second hand.
Oh, I've been stung before with economy insurance, so I'll go for the highest.
And can I just check, would you want home delivery or to a local depot, or would you want to pick it up at the nearest port?
The port would be fine. I've got transport that in.
Fine. And will you be paying by credit card?
Can I pay by check?
All right. Yes, I got answers almost from everyone. All right, okay. So, is there any problem that you faced in this audio? All right. All right, absolutely. So, okay. So now, in this case, the answer will be C and A. Now, see, there was one confusion in 10th question, because in 10th one, they have mentioned port, the port. They have mentioned use alphabets before the port, right? So you will hear the port, and you can see in option C, the word is depot, right? So it is quite similar. So be very careful that they have mentioned the port and the C option was depot, right? So pronunciation matters, and simultaneously we need to be careful with the alphabets as well. The first answer is C, because they have mentioned the economy, but simultaneously he told that he is not sure about the economy, and so he will go with the highest. So that was the synonym of the premium, right? So we need to understand the word. That was a tricky one, because exact word mentioned was economy, and for the correct answer they have used the synonym, because you can make out that earlier that lady explained that economy is the basic one and then standard and to the premium one. So that person told that I'm not sure about the economy, and so I will go with the highest. So highest was the premium that was mentioned earlier by that lady. And that's why for 9th answer will be C, and for 10th answer will be A. Clear, everyone? All right. Any doubts? Okay. Correct. Good. So now we'll go with the next MCQ. See, earlier we have taken that there was a one question and 3 options were given. Over here, there is a sentence that what does Jack tell his tutor about each of the following course options? And then there are the instructions given that write the correct letter A, B or C next to questions, right? So you just need to write the correct letter allocated to the words. और इसमें मेंशन किया हुआ है very clearly that you may choose any letter more than once. So, for example, 21st का आंसर A है, then it is possible कि दूसरे questions का आंसर भी A हो सकता है. So that is what the understanding the instructions very clearly, very first before the recording starts, and then you need to read the questions and read the options. All right. So there are 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25 are the words, and then they have given 3 options. Okay. Should I start the recording now? All right. If possible, try to predict the answer and note it down in your paper so that it would be easy for you while listening to the recording. Okay. Now I'm going to start the recording.
You will hear a communication studies student talking to his tutor about optional courses for the next semester. Come in. Oh, hello, Jack. Have a seat. Right. You said you wanted to see me to talk about your options next semester?
That's right. We have to decide by the end of next week. Really, I'd like to do all 5 options, but we have to choose 2, don't we?
Yes, but the choice depends on your major to some extent. You're majoring in communication studies, aren't you?
That's right.
So, for example, the media studies option will cover quite a lot of the same area you did in the core module on mass communications this semester, the development of the media through the last 2 centuries in relation to political and social issues.
Well, that was interesting, but I've decided I'd rather do something completely new. There's a women's studies option, isn't there?
Yes, Women and Power. Again, it has a historical focus. It aims to contextualize women's studies by looking at the legal and social situation in the 19th and early 20th centuries.
So it would be useful if I intended to specialize in women's studies, but I'm not sure I do actually.
Well, it might still be useful to give you an idea of the issues involved. It's taught by Dr. Steed.
Oh, really? I'll sign up for that then. What about the option on culture and society?
That addresses the historical debate on the place of culture since the Industrial Revolution in Britain.
So, a historical focus again.
Do I get the message you're not so keen on history?
Well, it's just that we seem to have done quite a lot this semester. Anyway, I'll think about that one.
If you're interested in a course focusing on current issues, there's the option on identity and popular culture that approaches the subject through things like contemporary film, adverts, soap operas, and so on.
That sounds interesting. Can you tell me who runs it?
Well, it's normally Dr. Stevens, but he's on sabbatical next semester, so I'm not sure who will be running it. It should be decided by next week, though.
Right. Well, I might wait until then to decide. And the last option is Introduction to Cultural Theory, isn't it? I'm quite interested in that too. I was talking to one of the second-year students, and she said it was really useful. It made a lot of things fall into place.
Yes, but in fact, in your major, you'll have covered a lot of that already in Communications 102. So that might be less useful than some of the others.
Oh, I'll forget about that one then.
Now, while you're here, we could also discuss how you're getting on with your core module assignment.
All right, students. Okay. Write your answers in the chat box, please. All right. Okay. Yes. Pooja, Maulik, Kishan Singh. All right. Kirish, yes. Usha. All right. Okay. Yes, I think everyone didn't mention all the answers. I just want to ask that, did anyone miss the question? I mean, miss the track as well? Or just because of net, you are not able to get the, you are not able to listen the audio? Okay. So is there anyone who missed the answer in fact, in the recording? Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Most of the no, but 24th is missed, and few are having net issues. Okay. All right. So, well, the answer is 21st for media studies. They have mentioned that he will not do it because he will look for the another options as well. That's what he mentioned. So for 21st, answer will be C. For 22nd, women and power, he mentioned, first that tutor mentioned that you should do it definitely, and then after he continued, he agreed that I will do. So that way you need to understand the conversation very clearly. See, in listening, every time the question answers come step by step, right? So over here as well, they have mentioned 21st word first, then 22nd wala course, 23rd wala course, then 24th wala course, and then last they mention about 25th wala course. So सबके answers one by one who mention हुए थे यहाँ पे. So see, you can make out very clearly कि जिन लोगों ने middle वाला कोई answer miss किया है, तो उसके बाद का answer कैसे मिला? Because आपने पहले पूरा का पूरा questions go through किया था. So you had these all the course options in your back of the mind. कि अगर चलो women and power वाला जो मुझे answer नहीं मिला, so just after when you listen, that culture and society, you could make out कि ये 22nd वाला तो miss हो गया. So now let's get back to for answer for the 23rd. So that's what I mean to say, students. Every time जो keywords है, those keywords is very important to keep in your mind. यहाँ पे हम लोग मीडिया स्टडीज 21st में जो मीडिया स्टडीज है, अगर मीडिया स्टडीज में ही कॉन्स्टेंटली हम लोग फोकस करेंगे तो उसके बाद वाला जो है वो भी मिस हो जाएगा अपना हमारा यहाँ पे, कि ये भी हम नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि हम वी आर फोकस्ड ऑन मीडिया स्टडीज. पर साइमल्टेनियसली हमें मीडिया स्टडीज तो फोकस करना ही है, पर उसके बाद हमें ये वर्ड भी हमारे दिमाग में होना चाहिए. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि सबके सब वर्ड्स होने चाहिए, पर उसके बाद वाला जो वर्ड है वो तो हमारे दिमाग में होना ही चाहिए, सो दैट वी कैन मेक आउट कि अगर मीडिया स्टडीज वाला मिस हुआ है तो उसके बाद वाला जब आएगा तब हमें पता चलेगा कि मीडिया स्टडीज मिस हुआ है. एंड देन वी डोंट वांट टू मिस द आंसर्स फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 to 3 क्वेश्चंस. अगर ऑफ ट्रैक ही हो गए, अगर ट्रेन से पटरी से गाड़ी निकल ही गई है तो फिर हमें वापस से एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल आना है. क्लियर? सो दिस इज व्हाट आई मीन टू से. इन दिस क्वेश्चंस दे हैव 5 क्वेश्चंस एंड देन साइमल्टेनियसली यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, यू नीड टू रिमेंबर द वर्ड्स, कीवर्ड्स. यहाँ पे जो मीडिया स्टडीज है तो उसके साथ हमें विमेन पावर भी अपने दिमाग में रखना है, so that we don't miss more questions. All right? Okay, so now we'll take for the next sample as well. MCQ sample 3. In this, read the instructions very clearly, understand the question, understand what they are looking for. All right. So, which hotel matches each description? So, options में हमें hotels दिए हुए हैं. A, B, C, D and E में hotel का नाम दिया हुआ है. And they have given you the description of the hotel. So, just go through the questions, go through the options, understand the instructions very clearly, and now I am going to start the recording. Keep your pen and paper handy and write your answers.
You will hear a man talking to an official at a tourist information office.
Can I help you?
Yes, I was wanting somewhere to stay for a few days, a 4 or 5-star hotel. Can you tell me something about the possibilities?
Okay, right. Well, there are 5 hotels that might interest you. Were you wanting a city centre location, or would you be interested in something a bit further out?
Well, I do have a car, so I could go for either.
2 central hotels in the range you're looking for. There's Carlton House and the Imperial. They're both near the main square, but if you've got your own transport, you might be interested in the Royal Oak. That's out in the country, about 10 kilometres away. Very peaceful. Then there's the Bridge Hotel and the Majestic. They're both in town, but not in the centre. They're out on the airport road.
That might be a bit far out, actually. Okay, now the other 2 you mentioned in the city centre. Can you tell me a bit about them?
Well, they're both excellent hotels. If you want something with a bit of character, Carlton House is quite unusual. It's a very old building that was originally a large private house. It was bought by the Vannies chain, and they completely refurbished it. They took their first guests just a few months ago, but it's already got an excellent reputation. That's a 5-star hotel. Or there's the Imperial, which is a much more modern building. That also has its own gym, and it also has internet connection and meeting rooms. It's used for conferences and corporate events as well as private guests. That's 5-star as well.
Does it have a swimming pool as well as a gym?
No, the Royal Oak has an outdoor pool, which is lovely in the summer, but the only hotel with an indoor pool is the Bridge Hotel. It doesn't have a gym, though. The Majestic is planning to build a swimming pool and a fitness centre, but it's not finished yet.
I see. Well, I think I'll probably go for one of the city centre hotels.
Okay. Yes. Looking for the answers. Please write your answers in the chat box. Okay. So you can see in this, they have used the synonyms. Rather than rural area, they have used, which word they have used rather than rural area? They have used the synonyms of rural area. So which word they have used rather than rural area? Yes, far away. Correct. So same way, they have used the synonyms in other options as well. In fact, in fourth one, that indoor swimming pool, they have used a monster words, if you remember, that they have used but, right? That do they have a swimming pool? Then yes, they do have swimming pool, but it is outdoor, right? Then they have mentioned it very clearly that indoor swimming pool is in one hotel only. Right? So, of course, so now get back to the correct answers are E, B, C, A. So first is the Royal Oak, second is Carlton House, third is the Imperial, and fourth is the Bridge Hotel. All right. See, we have taken that all three type of MCQs in which there are different type of things I have taken, that in this they have used the synonyms. Simultaneously, they have used that such kind of words called monster words. I mentioned you earlier that those words change your answers in between. So we need to be very focused that word followed question followed by those words, right? Because but जब यूज किया उन लोगों ने, उसके बाद का जो सेंटेंस है, that is very important. Why? Because in that we are getting the correct answer. हमने पहले एक बार already answer टिक कर दिया होगा, and then उसके बाद that lady mentioned that was outdoor swimming pool, but that hotel, the Bridge Hotel was having that indoor swimming pool, right? So that is how you need to be very careful with such kind of words and things. Try to predict the answers. Try to get the correct answer before even starting of the recording. अगर prediction अच्छी तरह से हो पाएगा, अगर हम questions को अच्छी तरह से समझ पाएंगे और हमें किस तरह से कौन से आंसर्स को मैच करना है, सिनोनिम्स है, पैराफ्रेजिंग है, सो वो हमें किस तरह से मैच करना है, दैट्स फॉर दैट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दोस थिंग्स वेरी क्लियरली. So ultimately, practice makes us perfect. That is what the tagline. कि हमें listening अगर clear करना है, तो हमें constantly ये जो accents है, British accents है, Australian accents है, American accents है, वो सब accents से हमें used to होना है. And that is the reason we need to practice listening regularly. All right. Any further doubts, students? Today we are just about to end the session now. So let me know if anyone is having any doubts. Yes, practice modules. I think most of the students are having those practice modules on Drive. We have shared the Drive. Who has not those drives will be shared to you all, so that you can practice all those listening parts in that, I mean from your home only. All right, जिसके पास नहीं है, ड्राइव में शेयर नहीं किया है, उन सब लोगों को भी शेयर किया दिया जाएगा. All right, you can just send. जिसके पास नहीं है, वो लोग I mean जो फोन पे कम्युनिकेट करते हैं, जिस फोन पे हमारे करियर मेकर्स के, उसी फोन में आप अपना ईमेल आईडी भेज सकते हो, एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट मेंशन दैट कि मटेरियल शेयर करने का ये ईमेल आईडी है, so that we will share those material on that email ID. All right. Okay. You will get the materials. जिसके पास नहीं है वो अलग से मटेरियल भी मिलेंगे, अपडेटेड मटेरियल भी मिलेंगे. So not to worry for that. Clear everyone? जिसके पास मटेरियल शेयर ड्राइव पे शेयर नहीं किया गया है, उन लोगों को सिर्फ हमें ईमेल आईडी भेजना है आपका. All right. एग्जाम्स पॉसिबल है कि लेट्स वेट एंड वॉच. अगर गवर्नमेंट ये सब खोल देते हैं तो एग्जाम्स हम अभी तो इंडिकेटिव एग्जाम्स तो अवेलेबल ही है, सो दैट्स व्हाट वी कैन अपीयर. यस संजय, आपका ईमेल आईडी मुझे यहाँ पे आप दोगे तो मुझे मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. यू जस्ट नीड टू सेंड योर ईमेल आईडी ऑन द फोन यू आर कम्युनिकेटिंग टू करियर मेकर्स. All right, so that is it. Hope everyone enjoyed and everyone is cleared with the MCQ today. Good evening, have a good day, and we'll meet next time. Yes, Cambridge IELTS 15 when can available online? We'll let you know soon. All right. All right, students. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.